The place where we lay our head is considered home. It's our sanctuary, the one place where we can comfortably be ourselves. So finding a place to live can sometimes be a difficult task. We want it to be peaceful. We want it to be a place where we can relax, a place where the pressures of everyday life don't exist. Some people can find this safe haven in a tiny house in the middle of nowhere, and some people want someplace a bit more luxurious to call home. If you're a part of the latter, then I know the perfect place for you. In the last few years, a new fad has taken over the world of traveling. When people need to get away, they can now stay in underwater hotels. These hotels allow you to view sea life right from the comfort of your bed. What if I told you you could live there as well? Sound like a dream? But now it's becoming a reality. Hidden off the coast of Dubai is the perfect location for these underwater villas. Due for completion in 2018, the Floating Seahorse Signature Edition will take your breath away. If you have the $2.5 million they're asking for, of course. Located in the heart of Europe Holiday Resort, these villas are literally in the middle of the ocean. The resort, which is made up of 6 man-made islands, can only be reached a few ways. And one of those ways is not by car. Unless you take a boat, seaplane, or helicopter, you won't be able to reach these unbelievable homes. These 4,000 square foot villas are designed for families. The 40 glassed wall homes are made for up to 8 adults and 8 children, so they're absolutely perfect if you have a big family or if you have a lot of visitors. They're being built with 3 floors. 2 of them are above water and 1 is below. I bet the view is absolutely unbelievable. The upper deck is perfect for entertaining. It includes lounge chairs, a dining area, and even a hot tub. Imagine hosting a dinner party with only the endless ocean around you. I couldn't picture going to bed looking out at the ocean, but that's exactly what's going on here. From the comfort of your own bed, you can watch the sunset all around you. The upper deck is stunning, but the below deck is where the real beauty is. 2 bedrooms are located on the underwater level. The amazing views of the coral beds and sea life would make anyone want to live there. Taking a relaxing bath with a view of all the little creatures would be an incredible experience. It would be the closest thing to actually being inside an aquarium. It would be even better than that, in my opinion. Developers are also making this a bit more green-friendly. Using a special type of insulation, these homes will conserve 70% of electricity output. That's certainly a selling point for eco-friendly people. Some of you may be wondering how this will affect the habitats of the creatures living there. Developers say there's no need to worry. They believe that the underwater deck is the perfect place for seahorses to live and breed. This seems like the ideal place for people that like their seclusion. You won't have visitors just dropping by, and you'll be able to escape the busy sounds of the city. All you'll need to worry about is coming up with the money it's going to cost to move there. Check out these other videos from Let Me Know. If you haven't made the move to subscribe to our channel, all you need to do is click on that red subscribe button. Thank you for watching.